What's going on YouTube? We got some snakes to feed today. Last week I made a video. It just didn't go my way. I had one rat escape into my son's closet. It took me like an hour to find it. Had one snake refuse, or two snakes refuse, and I didn't get any good footage. So I just scrapped that video and moving on to next week here. Let's see what Emmett wants to do. Like I said, these are not the friendliest of rats here. Got this big one here for our boy. He made his bed, he's in there, so here. Let's see what kind of footage we got. I'm scared this one's gonna escape just because he's so psychotic. Like, this litter's just been out of its mind. So this is the second to last pup in this litter. Pretty good sized rat by now for Emmett, so that's who he's getting. Go ahead and close this container down. Then I got some psychos over here too. It's another just litter that's just been out of its mind. We're gonna move on. I know this girl's always hungry. Man, I was just in here last night too, and she hadn't pooped or shed or anything like that. And look at her now. Damn. I was just in here at 9 o'clock last night. This is my first time seeing that. Let's see if she wants to eat. Let's just give her a little space here. Let's see what she does. Doesn't seem to want to put on a show. Just kind of got a mess in there, so we're gonna move on. Might be another boring video and no strikes. Well, I barely got that one on too. Uh-oh. So they got hers. We missed it, of course. But I think we're gonna get a nice strike right here. I have a feeling this will be a cool shot. What do you think, Pat?
Well, how do you do that where you can like see through the glass and stuff?
Well, it's just plastic. The lens can make it through.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
Cinnamon going for it. I know it. And I'm trying to escape.
I'm surprised she hasn't ate it yet.
No, she's the most spiciest one besides Emma.
That's true. Oh, she got it.
Get it on camera?
I did, but I missed it because I was drinking some coffee.
We got one strike on camera today.
Dang, girl. Where'd the rat go? Woo. She really nailed it. Beautiful snake, too. Beautiful.
I think he stripped it so hard that it pooped when it died.
When I tried to feed Marco last night, I left some pups in his tub overnight. He did not eat it. We're gonna let this guy do his thing.
Yep, definitely.
Our business.
Business is business.
Check this girl again here. And she's in the middle of it. We're gonna get her tank cleaned out and move along with her day. Thanks for watching, guys. All right, see you on the next one. Like and subscribe if you haven't already.